Okay guys, we are going to get started on our reading genre project. So you have been assigned a group and we are going to create an iMovie trailer in the iMovie app on your iPads. So you and your group have all been assigned a reading genre. So it could be fiction, could be nonfiction, could be drama, fantasy, realistic fiction. You know what your specific genre is. You and your group members are going to create a iMovie trailer to, quote, sell your reading genre. So what makes your reading genre the best? Give basic information about it. So, quick tutorial of iMovie on the iPad for those of you that have not used it before. So when you open the iMovie app, it should look like my screen here. We're going to click on Create a Project, and this option is going to pop up for you. I want everyone to create a trailer. The reason that we're doing a trailer is because for the first time using iMovie, it is a little more user-friendly than a movie. It has all of the bells and whistles already designed for you, and you just fill in the information. So we're going to start with a trailer. So go ahead and click on that. From here, you can pick all of, from any of these already designed templates, basically is what it is. And you can click on any one that you want. By clicking this play button here, it's going to show you a little bit of what that looks like. And the music will come with it. So this one obviously is fairy tale. You can add videos, things like that. Okay, so once you pick one, so I'm just going to go ahead and I'll click teen here. I like this one. And when I'm ready and I've checked them all out and all of our group members agree, in the top right hand corner we have create. So when you click create, this is the screen that's going to pop up for you. Okay, if you want to watch it again, you can click this play button over here. If you want to stop, you can stop it there. For the outline, this is just, it's almost like the credits of a movie. It's going to put in your names or who's in it, things like that. So you can name your movie here. So this movie name needs to be your genre name. So if I have fiction, I'm going to type that in here. Okay. The cast, these are going to be your group members, and you can add more here by tapping the plus button, or you can take some away if you only have 3. And so this is going to be where all of this comes in. Okay. Just do your best on this part. Some of it doesn't exactly relate to what we're doing, but it makes it creative and more fun. Up next to the outline at the very top is storyboard. By clicking on that, that's where you can go in and design and lay out your trailer. So anywhere there's words, if you tap on that, you can erase and you can put in whatever you would like there. And you cannot erase any of the words. You have to have words everywhere there are words. You can have nothing like this one has here, but you want to make sure that you have text in there somewhere. With all of the text come these, like where this says landscape. So these can be pictures, they can be videos, you guys can decide. So you and your group members might have to take some videos, you might take pictures of fiction books, you could get creative here. You and your group members, there's really no limits here as long as it's school appropriate and appropriate for the rest of us to watch, and it needs to make sense, it needs to relate to your reading genre. By doing this, at the bottom on the left-hand side, you can access videos that you've saved into the iPad, photos, or you can go straight to the camera. Oh, there's my camera. Okay, and from this camera, you can take video directly into iMovie, or you can go to photo mode by toggling between the video camera here and the camera. Okay, any photos that you take will be saved into the iPad as well as videos. Okay, so I have a picture of my dog here. We'll just use him. So if I click on that, it's going to put it up into this first section. And so now if I click play, now it doesn't make any sense for reading genres, but just an example for you to how to put a picture in there. Now, if I don't like this picture, I've decided I don't want it in here, there is the erase button in the bottom left-hand corner, which will take me back to where I started. When you and your group members have it all figured out and it's all fine-tuned and it's exactly how you want it, you can hit done in the top left-hand corner, and your options will come up for you at the bottom. So down here is going to have you play. You can delete it. Of course, you can go back in and edit it, or you can share it, which is what you're going to do. When you are completely finished, you are going to save video, and then you will post your video onto the Canvas assignment in the correct module on our online Canvas. If you have any questions, please contact me. You can email me, you can direct message me, or you can come in before or after school and talk to me about it.